Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to return items on Temu in 2025. If you've ever ordered something online and it didn't quite live up to your expectations, don't worry. Temu makes returns straightforward and hassle-free. Whether it's the wrong size, a defective product, or just a change of heart, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're eligible for a return. Temu's policy in 2025 allows returns within 90 days for most items, but always double-check the specifics on your order confirmation or the app. Open the Temu app on your phone or visit their website and log in to your account. Head over to the My Orders section. That's usually at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, find the order with the item you want to return and tap on it. You'll see a Return or Refund button. Go ahead and click that. Now, select the specific item from your order that needs to go back. Temu will ask you to choose a reason for the return, like item not as described or wrong size. Be honest here, as it helps them improve. Next, you'll need to prepare your item for shipping. Package it securely in its original packaging if possible, and include any accessories that came with it. Temu might provide a prepaid shipping label right in the app, which is a game changer. Just print it out or show it at a shipping center. Drop off the package at your nearest post office or use a designated carrier. After you've shipped it, keep an eye on the tracking information provided. Once Temu receives and inspects the item, your refund should process within 5 to 10 business days, straight back to your original payment method. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, Temu's customer support is available 24/7 via chat or email. They're usually quick to respond. And there you have it. Returning items on Temu in 2025 is easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on online shopping. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.